There are a lot of fleet products out there these days, and sorting through all of the options for your operation can be a little intimidating. But asking the right questions before committing to a new product can help you get to the core of what you're looking for, a solution that can help your fleet be more productive and efficient. Here are a few ways to get the right answers while you search for a new fleet product. Number 1, know your goals from the get-go. Before you even start looking, figure out what your goal is. Do you want to reduce cost or downtime, improve your budget adherence, or be more compliant? Whatever your why is, you can begin to approach the how. If your goal is reducing fleet expenses, you'll need to find a solution that allows you to better track things like maintenance, cost, and fuel expenditures. That can give you a solid starting point for where to start looking. Number 2, ask around. Check with peers and other industry pros to see what they've used and enjoyed. The best recommendations come from people who have actually experienced the product you're looking for. You can also look into review sites like G2 and Capterra to get more realistic feedback about products from people who have both used it and interacted with the team that created it. And number 3, consult the experts. As you start actually exploring providers, be sure to take advantage of things like guided demos and sales calls so you can really dig into the capabilities of the platforms and products you're interested in. Be sure to ask close-ended questions that get you solid yes or no answers that you can use to make informed decisions about whether or not this product meets your needs, and be prepared to give some answers from yourself as well. Working with salespeople often means you're doing a little bit of discovery, which means you need to be able to verbalize exactly what you're looking for and what your current pain points are. After all, you're not the only person doing the venting. A good salesperson also wants to make sure that you fit the product and that they're not selling you something you won't succeed with. When you need something to boost your operations' productivity and profitability, you should never settle for something that doesn't entirely fit the bill. Asking the right questions can get you far in choosing the right solution. If you're in the market for new fleet management software, give Fleetio a try. Our team can walk you through a guided demo of our platform to show you exactly what we have to offer and determine if it will fit your specific fleet specifications. Schedule a walkthrough with us at fleetio.com/demo.